Hi, and welcome to this episode. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a fun vertical scrolling effect on an image using JupyterX's advanced settings. You'll learn how to make an image scroll down as users move through the page, just like a mischievous cat knocking things off a table, adding playful motion and visual flair to your website. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. Remember, vertical scrolling effects work on any widget or element in JupyterX, not just images. Once I select this image widget, I'll head over to the Advanced tab. Next up, let's expand the Motion Effects panel, which allows us to configure scrolling effects. Okay, I'm turning on the scrolling effects switch now to enable this feature. Let's click the edit icon for vertical scroll to customize its behavior. Here, I'm setting the vertical scroll direction to down, so the item scrolls downward, like a mischievous cat tossing it off the table. Let's take a peek at the results. Looks like we need a bit more speed. Now in the vertical scroll section, let's adjust the speed. I'll drag the speed slider from 4 to 10. Let's expand the layout panel to access the Z-index settings. This will bring the falling mug higher in the layers, preventing it from going beneath other elements. Okay, let's input 10 in the Z-index field to set the stacking order. And that's it. That wraps up our guide on adding a dynamic vertical scrolling effect in JupyterX. By using these techniques, you can make your images and even other elements move and come alive as users scroll, giving your website that extra touch of interactivity and style. Go ahead, experiment and have fun. I'll catch you in the next video.